Halloween. Alicia's alone. So hello. Candace.
Hello.
Egyptian princess.
Are you videotaping this?
Oh, I thought you were taking a picture. That's why you stopped and paused. What an embarrassment. Look at this hot girl. Say hey.
Oh
no. Oh, girl. That was turning me on.
Jamie's ready.
Where's the light?
Chantal's the cop.
I got stuck for a second. Okay, I don't know what to do to this.
What? To do?
Sounds like that. Like I want it shorter than this.
But it looks. That looks good.
It looks good. You look good, right?
No, I mean this part needs to be short now.
Oh.
But I don't know how to make it short.